Ever felt like you're lost in the labyrinth of machine learning? As data professionals, it's common to feel overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of machine learning concepts. The challenge is real, especially when you need to predict customer behavior using machine learning algorithms, but you're unsure where to start with model selection and evaluation. To get started, we'll break down this colossal field into digestible chunks. Machine learning, at its core, is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. To better understand machine learning, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts. These include algorithms, models, training, and evaluation. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions followed by the machine learning process. It's like a recipe, guiding the system on how to identify patterns in the data. A model, on the other hand, is the output of an algorithm after it's been trained on data. It's the tool that makes the predictions or decisions. Training is the process where a model learns from a dataset. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes. You show them several examples, and over time, they learn to differentiate between a square and a circle. Similarly, a model learns from data. The more relevant the data, the better the model becomes at making accurate predictions. Evaluation is the final step. It's where you test the model to see how well it performs. This step is crucial because it helps identify any weaknesses in the model, which can then be improved. Remember, machine learning is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a tool in your data analysis toolkit. Depending on the problem at hand, you might need to experiment with different algorithms and models. It's a process of trial and error, learning and refining. To summarize, machine learning is a powerful tool for data analysis. It involves using algorithms to build models, which are then trained on data and evaluated for performance. It's a complex field, but by breaking it down into these fundamental concepts, it becomes less intimidating and more approachable. As more and more businesses turn towards data-driven decision-making, understanding machine learning has become a crucial skill for data professionals. The journey might seem daunting at first, but with persistence and a learning mindset, you can conquer the world of machine learning and leverage its power in your data analysis endeavors. So, whether you're predicting customer behavior or analyzing market trends, machine learning can provide valuable insights and enhance your data analysis capabilities. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, start small, be patient, and keep learning. The world of machine learning awaits you.